Okay. Hello. So this is a guide for people who need to set up their slackline alone. And I'm using Carabiners for the pulley system. So this is just regular 1-inch tubular webbing. I got one carabiner there tied on a clover hitch, and if you see the line is underneath, running underneath. And coming up here, just have our other anchor. I already have it set up on the other side over there, but just standard. But over here, just 2 carabiners. And so I'm just gonna put it through the bottom one first, coming from the bottom up, as you saw. Then I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna do the same way on this. So here you go. So I could see from the bottom up. And so coming back over here to the top carabiner, then you want to do the opposite. So instead of coming, we're going to come from the top and down, just like that. So you could see I'm coming from the top down. And then just the last pass through, what we're going to do is come underneath that top rope. Come through the pulley. And pop it underneath that rope, the last run you did. So see, it's going to be stopping itself. It's all run off of this one pulley on the clover hitch. But now when I pull it tight, it's going to tighten up. And actually it's a lot easier. It's a lot more leverage than using 4 pulleys for some reason. And I noticed I could get it a lot tighter by myself. To the point where it's easy to jump on. So that's it. And that's for my friend Matt. So I hope this could help you out when you're setting up your own slackline with this stuff, and I'll catch you all later. Thanks. Bye.